I've got breaking news coming in right now that Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia are on their way to meet Kumar Vishwas at his residence in Ghaziabad. Those are the live images. They've left from the Chief Minister's residence on their way to meet the highly angry, acrimonious poet Kumar Vishwas. Before this, it was a day of dramatic developments in the Aam Aadmi Party with Kumar Vishwas crying in public. He got very emotional, saying there is no way he was going to apologize. This after Kejriwal said that he was tarring the image of the party by speaking out in public. Lots of drama, typical AAP style. Here's the full story.
He was once Kejriwal's most trusted aide.
मसला देश का होगा तो बोलूंगा, सेना का होगा तो बोलूंगा.
Kumar Vishwas breaks down while addressing the media, crying out against the leaders he once worked with.
जीवन में ना कभी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनना है, ना डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनना है, ना पार्टी अध्यक्ष बनना है, ना कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ज्वाइन करनी है, ना कोई स्वराज आंदोलन ज्वाइन करना है. वी द नेशन के लिए, अपने वीडियो के लिए मैं किसी से माफी नहीं मांगूंगा.
The war within the Aam Aadmi Party is snowballing, with Kumar Vishwas and Manish Sisodia engaging in a war of words. Sisodia, the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, slammed Vishwas for dramatizing the issue on national television.
उनको पीएससी में बुलाया, पीएससी में नहीं आए, टीवी पे बयानबाजी कर रहे हैं. मैं कहना चाहता हूं उनसे कि टीवी पे बयानबाजी से कार्यकर्ताओं का मनोबल टूट रहा है.
It all began after Kejriwal was criticized heavily by his own party members for the Aam Aadmi Party's poor performance in the recently held polls, be it Punjab, Goa or the Delhi MCD.
अगर आप भ्रष्टाचार मुक्ति का पर्व लेकर दिल्ली में सरकार बनाएंगे और उसके बाद आप ही के लोग भ्रष्टाचार के घेरे में होंगे और आप मौन हो जाएंगे, उन्हें बचाने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो लोग आपसे सवाल पूछेंगे.
The infighting within the Aam Aadmi Party only seems to deepen further, with Amanatullah Khan leaving the party.
कुमार विश्वास जी आम आदमी पार्टी को हड़पना चाहते हैं. इस तरह से योगेंद्र यादव जी हड़पना चाहते थे, वो भी कन्वीनर बनना चाहते थे. तो कुमार विश्वास जी विधायकों को अपने घर बुला रहे हैं और ये कह रहे हैं हमारे विधायकों से कि भाई मुझे कन्वीनर बनाओ, और नहीं तो अगर बना सकते तो भाई बीजेपी में चलो.
Factionalism and split. That is where the Aam Aadmi Party has reached. Kumar Vishwas launching attack against Arvind Kejriwal faction within the Aam Aadmi Party. Manish Sisodia saying that statements made in public will not be tolerated. As the split widens, the bigger mystery is that who will end this deadlock. In Ghaziabad with Sundar, this is Ashutosh for India Today.
Kumar Vishwas was one of the key aides of Arvind Kejriwal. Prashant Bhushan got knocked out, Yogendra Yadav, Mayank Gandhi, Shazia Ilmi. Now it seems Kumar Vishwas is the next target, and he believes that Amanatullah Khan, the MLA who spoke out against Vishwas yesterday, is being propped up by the Kejriwal coterie. I want to go across to Ashutosh Mishra, covers the Aam Aadmi Party for us. He's live currently from the residence in Ghaziabad of Kumar Vishwas, which is where Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and his deputy Manish Sisodia are on their way to a last-ditch attempt, this, Ashutosh, to try and placate the angry poet. You've been speaking to people close to Kumar Vishwas all day long. What are their crucial demands? And do you think that there can be a rapprochement, or it's too late for that?
Rahul, as you rightly described and perhaps named those leaders, those are knocked out by the party in the past. Now this seems a last attempt perhaps by Arvind Kejriwal, as he has stepped in with along with Sisodia, coming here shortly at Kumar Vishwas residence to end this deadlock. Joining me few National Council members. They are quite young AAP supporters. They are very active on social media. These are the National Council members. But before going them, let me get through a few facts. Kumar Vishwas, yesterday during the meeting, he asked the leaders, what our sources claiming that he asked the AAP leaders to first sack Amanatullah Khan from the PAC. Now today, he was rigid that he need to be sacked from the party. There was a deadlock, there was perhaps the groupism, the split in the party, and Manish Sisodia, when he came out responding to Kumar Vishwas, that instead of taking the issue in the public, in media, better put it in the party platform. Now let's go across to these supporters, Rahul. Do you agree what actually happening in the party? There's a kind of split happening. There's a groupism and factionalism which is growing. How do you see this crisis in the party?
बहुत सारे लोग ये शो करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि देयर इज अ स्प्लिट की तो बात ही नहीं है। ये पार्टी हमारा परिवार है। 5 साल पहले हम लोगों ने इसको बनाया था। एक टाइम खाना नहीं खाते थे, पैसे बचा के किराए से प्रचार करने जाते थे। इस दिन के लिए तो नहीं बनाया था।
गौरव, कुमार विश्वास अब ये कह रहे हैं कि मुझे पोस्ट नहीं चाहिए, पार्टी नहीं चाहिए, बट अपने पार्टी लीडर्स पे अटैक कर रहे हैं। फिर वहां से जवाब आ रहा है कि आप पार्टी में बोलिए, बाहर मत बोलिए। इन फाइट जो अंदर होती वो खुलकर क्या सड़क पर नहीं आई, और क्या पार्टी अब टूटने के कगार पर है?
नहीं, अब कोई भी ऐसा स्टेटमेंट नहीं दिया जो कि पार्टी के विरोध में हो या अरविंद भाई और कुमार भाई के विरोध में हो। ऐसा कोई स्टेटमेंट ना हमारी तरफ से गया, ना कुमार भाई ने कोई ट्वीट किया, ना ऐसा कोई मीडिया में बयान दिया है। बाकी हमारी एक ही डिमांड है, अमानतुल्लाह को निकाला जाए। वो चाहे मनीष जी के खिलाफ बोलते या अरविंद जी के खिलाफ बोलते, संजय सिंह के खिलाफ बोलते। हमारे जो 4-5 आंदोलन के नेता हैं जो आंदोलन से रहे हैं, उन्होंने हमें पता है कि उन्होंने कितनी मेहनत करी है, कितनी लाठें खाई, कितने डंडे खाए हमारे साथ, हमारे हर सुख दुख में पर्सनली भी हमारे साथ रहे हैं। तो लेकिन ये तो बहुत गलत है और अमानतुल्लाह को निकालना चाहिए, हमारी डिमांड है पार्टी से, और उसको निकाले बिना हम तो चैन नहीं लेंगे।
And what you're hearing from the National Council members, Rahul, this was actually the demand and also the attack which escalated by Kumar Vishwas saying that he is merely a mask. Amanatullah Khan is merely a mask. Someone in the party is backing Amanatullah Khan, but Kumar Vishwas clearly did not name any person or any politician, any political leader within the Aam Aadmi Party individually. Now there is a last attempt perhaps by the party to end this deadlock. We have seen Ashutosh, Sanjay Singh, they came out, and since more than 2 hours the meeting is going on to end this deadlock. And finally Arvind Kejriwal, the party chief, has to step in, getting the pressure from its cadre, from the party leaders. Now he has to step in along with Manish Sisodia. We are expecting him to reach any time soon. Rahul?
Stay with me. I want to play out now excerpts from the interview Ashutosh did with Kumar Vishwas, where that interview really set off this entire chain of events. In this exclusive interview with Kumar Vishwas, he hits out the manner in which Kejriwal is running the party, in the manner in which tickets were distributed, the campaign in Punjab was run, and from what happened after the PSC meeting yesterday, when Amanatullah Khan came out and said that Vishwas is a BJP agent, it almost seems as if a clamour is being built where those close to to Arvind Kejriwal now want to knock out Kumar Vishwas from the party. That's something that clearly has upset Kumar Vishwas a lot, which is also why he broke down. Excerpts now from this big India Today exclusive with Kumar Vishwas.
मुझे लगता है कि ईवीएम में जो गड़बड़ियां वो एक हिस्सा है चुनाव का, उस पर चर्चा होनी चाहिए, उस पर सवाल उठाए जाने चाहिए, डेमोन्स्ट्रेशंस भी होने चाहिए।
हार के लिए जिम्मेदार फिर कौन है?
हार के लिए जिम्मेदार सामान्य, मुझसे लोग कहते हैं चिंतन शिविर होगा जी, हम हार गए, इसका क्या वो है? जस्ट मैं कहता हूं इसका एक ही परिणाम है, लोगों ने हमें वोट नहीं दी। ये तय है कि लोगों ने हमें वोट नहीं दी। तो मैं आपके चैनल के माध्यम से अपने सब कार्यकर्ताओं से हाथ जोड़ के माफी मांगता हूं कि हम पिछले 6 चुनाव लगातार हारे हैं, आपकी आशाओं के विपरीत हम गए हैं। हमने कई निर्णय ऐसे किए हैं जो आपको अच्छे नहीं लगे। बंद कमरे में हम निर्णय ले लेते हैं, कोई भाषा बोल देते हैं, आप गली में उसे डिफेंड नहीं कर पाते। अब व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे, फैमिली में, फेसबुक पे लोगों से घिर जाते हैं हमारे आचरण की वजह से, हमारी टिप्पणियों की वजह से, हमारे कामों की वजह से। तो हम सब कोशिश करेंगे, पार्टी के सारे लीडर्स, मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि उन सबको, पार्टी के लीडर्स को फ्रेम में रख के बोलूं कि भाई कार्यकर्ता का जरा ध्यान रखिए। शरद जोशी ने कहा था कि हर पार्टी कुछ दिन बाद कुछ % कांग्रेस हो जाती है। जैसे एक भारतीय जनता पार्टी आज 80% कांग्रेस है, उसके अंदर वंशवाद भी है, किचन कैबिनेट भी है, सुविधाजनक अल्पसंख्यक बहुसंख्यक अपीजमेंट्स हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी भी कुछ % कांग्रेस हो रही है। हमने कई चीजें ऐसी की जो राजनीतिक रूप से हमारी गलतियां थी, जो हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए थी, जिसे हमें बचना चाहिए था। हमारे घर में फूट दिखाई दी, हमने एक दिन पहले, घंटों भर पहले दूसरे दलों से 40-40 साल का कैरियर लेके आए हुए लोगों को अपने एडजस्ट किया, टिकट्स दिए, उन्हें चुनाव लड़वाया। तो शायद वो, मुझे लगता है, भरोसा वहां टूटा। देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं। अगर राष्ट्र किसी आतंकवाद से सेना के माध्यम से लड़ाई लड़ रहा है, देश के वीर जवान सीमा पार जाकर पराक्रम दिखा रहे हैं और उन्हें बता रहे हैं कि हम ऐसे लोग नहीं हैं, हमें लाइटली लें, उस समय उस गद्दी पर कोई भी बैठा हो, वो राष्ट्र का व्यक्ति बैठा हुआ है, हमें कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर उसके साथ खड़े हो जाना चाहिए।
अरविंद केजरीवाल ने तो सवाल खड़े कर दिए थे।
मुझे लगता है कि वो वीडियो ठीक से देखा नहीं गया, उसमें सवाल नहीं थे, लेकिन हाँ वो अनपेक्षित था, उसकी आवश्यकता नहीं थी।
Kumar Vishwas very scathing in this interview, and anybody who's looked at the Aam Aadmi Party closely, Ashutosh, will say that he's been upset for very long. He was waiting first for the Punjab elections to get over, then the MCD elections. Now he's speaking out. Do you believe that Arvind will be able to win him over? You think it's too late for that? He also says there are some people backing Amanatullah Khan, that he's the prop, he's being made to say these things. Who are the people he's hinting at? Is he hinting at the likes of Sanjay Singh?
Rahul, there is always possibility to strengthen the relationship to make it better than turning it in worse. Now, however, Kumar Vishwas escalating attack further, saying that Amanatullah Khan is merely a mask. And if you see this interview, he already escalated attack and blamed. There are a number of people without naming them, but number of times he also blames Sanjay Singh and Durgesh Pathak. He was also expecting that there should be action against those leaders responsible for the defeat in Punjab as well as in the Delhi civic polls. But there was no action. Perhaps there were a few leaders, those they submitted their resignation, they put out their resignation. But Kumar Vishwas said that instead of resignation, they will be again given some other responsibility. So that was a better point. Two, in this interview, he also said that party is gradually turning into a Congress. We were becoming gradually a Congress. That was the second big attack. Third, he also questioned the transparency. He said that we are the party from the Anna movement. When we came out, we talk about transparency. We talk about transparency within the party, within the functioning. That was the kind of charges that he escalated against the party, and that has triggered this split within the party. And that got worse when Amanatullah Khan came out of the entire case scenario and escalating charges against Vishwas that he is hand in gloves with BJP and RSS, and that was Kumar Vishwas, that rattled actually Kumar Vishwas when he said that he need to be sacked from the party. That action was taken. He was forced to resign from the PAC, but then now Kumar Vishwas is rigid that he should be sacked from the party. From this morning, Rahul, almost 6 to 7 MLAs came to meet Kumar Vishwas, and sources close to Vishwas saying that since yesterday the number is almost 30 to 35 of those MLAs of the party. They are coming to meet Vishwas, and he holds a very strong support of the cadre MLAs, not only in Delhi but Punjab as well. So that, considering the kind of escalation, the split within the party, finally seems that Arvind Kejriwal has stepped in along with Sisodia. He will be reaching here shortly in few minutes to resolve this crisis.
Okay, I'm going to leave it there. Ashutosh, we'll come back to you when Kejriwal reaches the residence of Kumar Vishwas. It's happened in the past. There's a sense of deja vu. Shazia Ilmi, Mayank Gandhi, the likes of Prashant Bhushan, Yogendar Yadav, it's always the same coterie. And it's a small party. They've got just more than 60 MLAs, one small state, and yet so much infighting. Clearly, difficulties with Kejriwal's leadership style and his inability to take people along. And now when Kumar Vishwas turns against him, if he's outed from the party, there will be all manner of mudslinging, of that you can be sure, like we've already seen happened in the case of Prashant Bhushan and Yogendar Yadav. We're slipping into a break. We'll have more for you when we come back on the other side. Stay with us.